Hi guys, my name is Juan and I have my snack right here. We have some wine boxes right here. We have a Starbucks drink. You saw this in the thumbnail. It's a sketchbook. So let's get started. Cut! Okay, hold on. You want when you're using scissors, okay? So you can get here. This is the capybara. You can get here. Let's see. See the photo? I'm not gonna see it. See it? Do you see it? What is it? Tell me. Don't tell me. Blah 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 blah. You can just cut this. Okay, you just have to cut this. Ooh! No. We have the big. We got the drawing capybara. Not that rare, but so shiny. So that's what we got. Okay. So let's put capybara right here. Okay, next up we have this one. You can just collect all of these guys, so let's open it. Okay, see the card. Do you see it? Okay. So let's here. Oh, this is there. Don't have to use it. Don't have to use scissors. Look. Let's open this one. Oh, we have a donut cream mackerel, I think. Wait, if it's mackerel, that means that's a good little Doge. So we got the Doge, okay. So we just place this here. Let's see it. Wait a minute. Capybara! Oh! Guys, it's okay. Oh, that's a little capybara Doge. This is a good little one. Okay. We have avocado. Yeah, bro. See you guys in the next video.